So welcome back to our project at Weston Drive, Lucan. This is part 2 of our video blog on the extension and renovation project here at Weston Drive. Week 6 of construction, we have the shell complete, steel in situ, and the main frame is built. The warm deck roof construction is formed and the architectural roof light opening is in place. If you have a quick look here, we can show you how the aesthetics of the finished building will look. We have a large sliding door system across this large opening here, 4 meters, with a strip window above. We can have a look inside and we can have a look in more detail of the structural steel and supports. Immediately you can see that the ceiling level difference between the original house and the new extension. Most homes have a 2.4, 2.5 floor to ceiling height, and we can expose that and exploit the extension height below the back bedroom sills in most cases. Here we have a ceiling height of about 2.9 meters. Where the architectural window is, the ceiling kicks up even further, up to 3.2 meters with the upstand. So it's a really dynamic effect, apart from just the glass itself letting light into the whole building. As a feature, it's an excellent addition to the extension. The main structure here has a large sliding door and a fixed window above, and we also have a side fixed panel with a strip window above here as a secondary feature, which we are opening up onto a courtyard and some landscape. In relation to the main roof itself, you can see the engineer's specification of heavy joists, 225 by 44mm joists on joist hangers, and around the window opening is trebled up. So this is a full portal, a goalpost with columns and overhead section, fully engineered. The secondary steel beams are supporting the ceiling joists and floor joists above. And you can see here we have the L brackets and the square hollow post. So we have a view here on our 3D model showing the sliding door and fixed window system on the right hand side. Mainly dining and seating area, and this is the TV lounge space. We have a insulated wall, recessed heater. So this is your full open plan space. As you can remember from the first video, this was 3 pokey rooms, and straight away you see the benefit of having an open plan space. The extension obviously gives that extra bit of space to the family, and the large glazing and roof skylights obviously add to the space feel and light coming into the building. So here we have our new kitchen location. So the kitchen was moved from here to the right hand side, which was the original study area. I can show you a perspective of the kitchen design, which was designed by our partners at Cube Kitchens, which is a central island, 2.4 meters, and we have the main L-shaped kitchen on the far wall, which was the original utility and study room. Utility door on the right hand side, which the guys have opened up, and lintel is in place. Main island, we also have the sink and dishwasher on the far side. You can see some first fix mechanical and electrical is in place then for waste and connections. Something that's actually very important from a construction point of view, but a lot of our clients do not really think about it too much, is the impact it has on the remodeling to the main home. Even for a small extension and remodeling, switching the kitchen requires new waste and extraction points. And here you can see with the central island with services, we have a channel here chased out of the concrete. Same along this wall, we'll have a false wall for services to hide in any pipes, waste, electrical and so on. And that will lead then to the utility room, storage area here, which then leads to the study room to the front. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see you next time, and thank you for watching.